Hello friends, this is Advocate Preeti Prakash Patwa from Ichalkaranji, District Kolhapur. My educational qualification is BA LLM NET Set. Friends, I have worked as assistant professor for Law Department LLM students Shivaji University Kolhapur for 4 years, and thereafter I have started my own coaching classes with the name Om Law Coaching Classes at Ichalkaranji. And I'm also partner in Vibrant Professional Academy, which is conducting the coaching for CA Foundation course. Friends, as you all know that we are suffering from a bad time of a COVID-19 crisis. In this situation, as you know, all other examinations are cancelled, but up to the 2 days before, we were aware about the fact that the last year student of graduation post graduations was supposed to give their examination. So actually, as because sitting in the home, my students of class complaining me that they are getting bored, they are not getting motivated for the studies, and they requested me to take the revision of the subjects so they can be motivated. And on that point, I got an idea, why not to teach all other without taking any kind of the fees, so that all students will get motivated for their studies. So friends, I have taken a decision to take the intellectual property right entire subject syllabus as per the syllabus of Shivaji University Kolhapur for the last year students of the pre-law 5-year course and LLB 3-year course of the Shivaji University Kolhapur. But before 2 days, as we know, in Maharashtra, the number of the coronavirus patient is getting high. So probably the last year students exams also get cancelled or delayed, or it may be taken as it is decided. So I was thinking to cancel my decision of taking this lecture. But as students has requested me on the message or phone also, that even though the examination are not there or may there, we would like to attend your lecture because it will keep us intellectually engaged, and I also would like to interact with the student. So friends, as per the request of student and as per my own initiative, I have decided to take the intellectual property right entire subject as per the syllabus of Shivaji University from tomorrow on YouTube live at 4 o'clock every day, from that is 22nd of May 2020, that is from tomorrow. Hope for your attendance, friend. Maximum knowledge within minimum time which I have would like to share with you. Waiting for your attendance. Thank you.